Biology theory. It is said that nature is a birth mother for all living things, with great power and gentleness. Nature has created the universe of all living things through long development over millions of years. The high-standing mountain with the glittering sunlight, or the fine mist of water which becomes the rainbow, the deep blue ocean full of various and colourful plants. Nature gives life to those things living in the forest and controls the ecological balance of their system. That is to say, if the population of any kind of plant or animal are in high growth numbers, they will be eaten by entomology insects. Yet, if the number of small are overpopulated, they will be reduced by bigger creatures, like tigers. This means that the tigers will eat or consume their prey, thus helping to keep the ecology system balanced. This is the wonderful and attractive nature of the tropical rainforest. Imagination. There are various kinds of small and big trees covering the wide forest in rainy season. They absorb water into their trunk and drain water out from their roots in the dry season. The scientist who was awarded the Nobel Prize for his physics theories on receiving and releasing energy may have got the idea from the energetic nature of a million trees in the forest. Any creativity must come from imagination. It is said that Bishop Milton Wright used to argue with the headmaster of a school. He thought that every possible invention in the world had already been created. But the headmaster said, in 50 years' time, human beings will fly like a bird. Bishop Milton Wright replied, flying is something only God can do. Bishop Milton Wright has two sons, Wilbur and Orville Wright. When they grew up, he told them of the argument between himself and the headmaster. One day, his sons saw a bird flying in the large sky. They thought about the story told by their father, and they started thinking how they could fly like a bird. Finally, both sons of Bishop Milton Wright achieved success and created the airplane. Now, airplanes are used all over the world. But Bishop Milton Wright never knew that all that time he was living with gods.